How to sell digital product on Amazon. In this video, I will show you how can you easily sell your digital product on Amazon. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, let me tell you to sell your digital product, it is not directly done in Amazon and we do it in the website called KDP. So to open the website, simply go to your Google application in your device and then type Amazon KDP. The first website is the official website where we do the selling and buying of digital product. As you can see, there are a lot of products already in our homepage, that is the books. So to sell your digital product, for example a book, firstly what you need to do is go to Canva and there you need to edit a cover page so that the attention of the audience is grabbed toward your book. Once you're done editing the Canva cover, once you have decided what you want to sell in this KDP website, you need to go and check whether some rules are available or not. So for example, if I'm trying to sell an ebook, I'll go and write Amazon KDP book sizes. And when I click on the first website, there will be the availability of sizes in which I should create my cover book and write my book so that it follows the rules and as well as grabs the attention of all the readers. So that's it. That is how easily you can sell digital product on Amazon. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.